Hey there, fellow travelers! Today, I'll be sharing with you 10 essential tips to make your long distance journey not only bearable, but also an incredible enriching experience. So, whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or someone about to embark on their first adventure, stick around because these tips are going to make your life on the road so much easier. Plan and research. First things first, planning and research. Knowing where you're going and what to expect can save you a lot of hassle down the line. Make sure to look up the visa requirements, local customs, and weather conditions for your destination. Also, be sure to check out travel blogs, forums, and YouTube videos for first-hand experiences and insider tips. Remember, knowledge is power, and it can make your journey so much smoother. Pack smart. Packing light and efficiently is key when it comes to long-distance travel. Make a list of essentials and pack versatile, wrinkle-resistant clothing that can be easily mixed and matched. Don't forget to pack a few essential travel gadgets like a portable charger, a travel adapter, and a reusable water bottle. Trust me, these items will save you a lot of headaches in the long run. Accommodations and transportation in advance. While it can be tempting to wing it and be spontaneous, booking your accommodations and transportation in advance is a smart move for your long-distance journeys. Not only it can save you money, but it also helps you avoid the stress of last-minute bookings and potential scams. Plus, knowing where you'll be staying and how you'll get there can help you plan your itinerary better. Take care of your health. Long-distance travel can take a toll on your body, so it's essential to prioritize your health. Make sure to get any necessary vaccinations before you go and pack a well-stocked travel first aid kit. Also, don't forget to bring any personal medication you might need, as well as prescriptions for refills. During your journey, stay hydrated, eat well, and get enough rest to keep your energy levels up while traveling. Stay connected. Staying connected with your loved ones while traveling is an essential for your peace of mind and their reassurance. Get a local SIM card or a portable Wi-Fi device to have internet access wherever you go. This will allow you to keep in touch with family and friends, share your experiences, and access essential information like maps, transportation schedules, and restaurant recommendations around the area. Be prepared for the unexpected. When it comes to long-distance travel, it's always a good idea to expect the unexpected. Always have backup plans and contingencies in place, like having extra copies of your travel documents and a stash of emergency cash. This will help you stay calm and collected in case something doesn't go according to plan. Learn some basic phrases in the local language. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can make a world of difference during your travels. Not only will it help you navigate your way around, but it's also a sign of respect and appreciation for the local culture. So go ahead, learn how to say hello, thank you, and where is the bathroom in the local language. It'll make your journey that much more enjoyable. Embrace the local culture. One of the best things about long-distance travel is the opportunity to immerse yourself in new cultures. Be open to trying new foods, participating in local customs, and engaging with the people you meet. This will not only enrich your travel experience, but also help you create lasting memories and connections. Stay safe and be vigilant. While it's important to open to new experiences, it's also crucial to prioritize your safety. Always be aware of your surroundings, keep your belongings secure, and trust your instincts. Research the safety situation in your destination, familiarize yourself with local scams, and consider registering with your country's embassy or consulate for additional security. Document your journey. Finally, don't forget to document your long-distance journey. Whether it's through photos, videos, or journaling, capturing your experiences will allow you to reflect on your adventures and share them with others. Plus, you'll have treasure trove of memories to look back on for years to come. That's it, folks. Those were my top 10 tips to help you survive and thrive during a long-distance journey. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they inspire you to embark on your own incredible adventure. If you have any additional tips or travel stories to share, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!